This vehicle is for thrill-seeking individuals who also desire reassurance and safety. We call it the Scrochet LATV. LATV stands for Luxurious All-Terrain Vehicle. The Scrochet LATV has the strength and durability of an ATV while maintaining the security and innovation of an extravagant golf cart.